Hello esteemed colleagues, in this instructional video we'll explore how to add or edit categories and subcategories in the planned maintenance module of the WAYL system. To begin, you need to access the maintenance module. This can be accomplished either by clicking on maintenance on the system's home page or selecting it from the main menu on the left hand side of the screen. Upon opening the maintenance module, the main page for this module will appear. On the left side of this page, you will find the categories section, which contains a comprehensive list of all equipment available for maintenance. Equipment is organized into categories and subcategories. Each category or subcategory can be expanded if it contains additional items within. By selecting a specific category, you will be able to see the maintenance work already planned for the equipment in this category in the center of the page. Within this section, you will find a handy button that allows you to expand or collapse all categories simultaneously. To add a new category or a subcategory, simply click on the relevant button located at the bottom left corner of the page. Once clicked, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to fill in the necessary information. This pop-up window is universal, whether for root categories or subcategories. The title field is designed for you to create a unique name for the category, in the word to provide as much pertinent information as possible to ensure ease of identification or search in the future. Below the title field, you will find three checkboxes. The first checkbox, Display Stock, enables visibility of the quantity of items remaining in the stock and purchase module. The Display Maintenance checkbox, when inactive, ensures your new category is not displayed in the maintenance module, although it remains accessible in the settings. This feature can be handy if a category is currently not in use and you prefer to conceal it rather than delete it. Lastly, the Crew Inventory checkbox, when active, displays this category in the crew's personal inventory, which is useful for specific crew items such as boots, jackets, raincoats, etc. Upon adding the title and determining how the category will be displayed, you can include specific technical data by clicking the Add a Technical Data button. There are predefined fields available for use, such as the manufacturer's name, production year, serial number, etc. After completing all required information, click the Save button, and your new category will appear in the list. Even after creating your categories, you retain the ability to modify them by selecting a specific category and clicking the Edit button. The same pop-up window will appear as when adding a new category, allowing you to alter the necessary information. I hope you find this information useful. Thank you for your attention.